What's up, diggers? Back out. Flipping freezing, but at least it's not raining. Don't know what we'll find as per usual, but I can guarantee one thing: it's going to be muddy. So I'll see you on the first hole. I've just had this up, not had much so far, a bit of lead, little buckle. I think this might be silver, you know, because I've just saw the edge of it, it just fell out. It is, yes, I like it. George the 5th there, sixpence. $19.25, so it's only 50% silver, but yeah, that's alright for a third signal. I'm happy with that. Right, let's crack on. This was really deep. It weren't a brilliant signal, but when you see the coin, I think you'll understand why. It has seen better days. I think it's completely blank as well and bent, so no wonder it was a strange signal. Right, let's crack on. This was quite a medium tone signal, but I thought I'd have a go. I think what it is I thought it might be a harmonica reed, but it's not. It's a little lead bag seal, I think, and it's got the place of my residence on it. If you can see that. There you go. A bit of local history. Right, I think this is a decent signal, and I think it might be something alright, so let me show you. Nice sound, 84. Nice short bleep, so you know it's something small, not a massive hunk of junk. Right, whatever it is in this clod. Nice bit of glass there. Always wear gloves, folks. Hello. Oh, what a horrendous disappointment. I don't know even know what that is. That is a bit of rubbish. Such a good signal as well. Oh well, that's the way it goes. Have a little bag seal, round one. I don't think there's anything on it. Nah, just blank that one. Just had this. I think it's just a little farthing. Let's try and clean it. Hang on. The mud here is just like super glue. I can't see anything on that at the moment, but I'll put a picture up for you. Just had this up. I don't know what it is, but it's so tiny, and I think there's a pattern on it, but if I get anything off it I'll put a picture up. But just these higher frequencies, like I'm on 26 today with the Deus 13-inch coil, it finds tiny things. I don't know what it is though, but and it's probably a bit of crap, but you're not going to miss much with this machine. It's really good. It's just a little button, but look at this mud, man alive. Like, I'm standing in it here and it goes up to my ankles, so it's just annoying. Anyway, at least we're allowed out now. Took me a while to find it, but I did eventually. I think it's just another little carving. Oh, gee. Yeah, I'll clean it up and put a picture up, but I think it's just a farthing. I think this is a good signal. Yeah. Nice and high. 80. Decent XY screen, like fairly level, but just poking down towards the left, which is what you want. Now let's give it a go. Whatever it is in here. This clump. Come on, be something decent. I haven't found anything decent for a while. I can't feel my fingers, so I deserve it. Oh, where's it gone? Must have fell out. It's in here. Oh, it's a bolt. Jesus H. Christ! That's not fair. Number 18. Yeah, no idea, just a little halfpenny, I think. Battered, bent, worn. Yeah. He's got a coat on today. It is absolutely chuffing freezing, and now it's also snowing, so I'm nearly done. I can't feel my hands or some parts of my face. Yeah, even though I can't feel my fingers and it's flipping freezing, I'm happy. I've got a little smile on my face because I've just seen something. I think it's a bit of silver. Let's get it out and have a little look. Right, let's get this little fella out. Oh my god, my hands are so cold. Stop moaning. Here we are. Yeah, that's silver. George the 5th again. Yeah. 6pence. Yeah, it's in good nick as well. What's the date? Can't see the date on it yet, hang on. $19.21, so it's just missed out on being a full silver, but I'm happy with that. That's alright, I don't mind that at all. Back to my bag, that's my little bag over there, and I thought I'd detect on the way back, stick it in 4 kilohertz, see if I find anything different, and I got this like medium low tone, but it was giving me a 94, so I thought I'll dig it up, and I think it's a coin. It's not silver though. I can't get my hands in that glove because I can't feel my fingers. Anyway, is it a coin? No, it's not. It's not a coin. What is it? I don't know what that is. Is that a number 10? Hang on, let me... I can't... Right, hang on. Let's give it a rub. Not sure about that. What do you think? Badge or something? You literally couldn't care less, could you? Right, I'll clean it up, put a picture up, but I think that would be my last signal. Seems as my bag's just there. Right, I'm done. I enjoyed that. It was really cold. I might have frostbite, but a couple of silvers, and just happy to be out really. If you liked it, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet and you're watching it, I'm a new channel. I'm just trying to stick videos out there, useful tips, hopefully some nice finds. And please subscribe. It's in the bottom right hand corner of your screen right now. Go on, do it right now. Done? Thank you. I'll see you later. If you're going out, good luck. Tatty bye.